All right, what up, what up, what up, what's going on, guys? Right now, I'm going to break down to you some astronomical positioning based on the zodiacal wheel, which is nothing but an allegory of the stars. So things like when you see things like Leo on the stars, that just basically, and you're never going to see the sign of the symbol. You're never going to see a line in the stars, but it's just the allegory to present to you the idea that when the sun travels through Leo, travels through the ecliptic belt, when it's the Leo constellation, before it falls, before it goes from so when the spring is over and it goes into the fall in Libra, here it's at its strongest. Here it's at its most powerful before it falls again. So when it shows you the fire sign Aries, when it shows you the spark, the beginning, the cardinal fire, the genesis of things, it's talking about the beginning, the vision, the alpha of things. So boom, the vision is alpha. And then boom, from 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. Then it's Taurus time. Then boom. Then it's Gemini time. And all these are just astronomical positionings in some way, shape, or form. So when you see Gemini, based on where you're standing at time, but Gemini allegorically represents the Archangel Michael. It represents righteousness, you being right at something. When from an astronomical positioning as well, it's you going mentally to the direction of the right. You saying, yeah, I'm right about this. That means you're using like a Gemini attribute and characteristics, but depending on how it plays out. So that's an Archangel Michael archetype. And boom, 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 the sun is at Cancer. Here, it's at the point at when let's say during the daytime, Gemini is around 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Then when the sun gets to Cancer, the crab carries the sun to the other side. So the crab is moving, up this way. That's why it's a crab, because the way the crabs move, that's why the Greeks use that allegory. And then boom, and then boom, and then boom, the vernal equinox, where the daytime is equal here at the sun sign of Libra, just because Aries is the beginning. It's also a placement of a vernal equinox, where essentially we experience the daytime and the nighttime being equal. That's why Libra has a symbol of the scales, because the balance house is the fire of Aries. It's the 180-degree position of it. And then boom, you go into the fall. The Scorpio went deep underneath the water. And then boom, Sagittarius, the faith, you being able to understand even if you go into death, you'll be reborn again, because when the sun travels to Aries, that's the birthing season, you having the wisdom and knowledge and understanding that. And then boom, Capricorn, Aquarius, and then Pisces, the signs of the winter, which is death and things like that, which is not a bad thing either. It's just astronomical allegories that we make to understand the world. And yeah, come back at you later with some more.